How to add a multi-step form in Wix. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So I'm just going to take you through all the steps needed. So first, you will need to just go ahead and open up your Wix website dashboard, and you just want to go ahead and go to edit site. Now, until this opens, basically the multi-step form is pretty much, you take a few questions and then they click on next, and then it's just going to take them to the next questions after they answer the first one. So this is pretty much what we mean by multi-step form. So creating this is actually pretty easy. So let's just go ahead and show you. Open up the page that you want to obviously add the form to. You can just navigate through the pages from the top here. I'm just going to go ahead and add a section in the home page, and I'm just going to add the form right over here. So all we need to do is just go ahead and go to add elements on the top left right here. So just click on this plus icon, and then we can just go ahead and add that. You should find it within the contact and forms. And then from here we have within the forms section, create a new form or add existing form. So I'm just going to click on create new form. Once you do that, we will be able to create our form and make it multi-step as well. Just let's wait for this to load. Okay, great. So once this actually loads in, basically we have the first page. This is going to be the first step, and this is going to be called page number 1. So here you would want to add the first questions that you want people to answer before they go to step 2. So for example, we can just go ahead and add the basic ones: first name, last name, email. So now we have first name, last name, and email. And now it should say submit. But if we want, instead of submitting right away, we also want to make it so that it is going to take them to another step instead. So to do so, you just want to go to the left side where you will find pages. Now, by the way, there are going to be a lot of settings here that I'm not going to go through, which are not related to the steps things. So you can actually make forms required and so on. It's not really what I'm going to be talking about. So just go ahead and go to pages here on the left panel, click on that, and then click on add page. So as you can see now, it says page 1, and it says next instead of submit. So now you just need to add the form fields in the next section. So just go ahead and click on add the plus icon right here, and you will have obviously the other elements that you can add. So for example, address, birthday, company name, whatever it may be. And if you want to add another page, you can also do so by just clicking on add page. If not, it's just going to say submit instead. If you're happy with all of this, obviously go through the settings, submissions, whatever it may be, and click on save. And you're pretty much good to go. You have your form ready, and now you can just go back to your site, go to add elements, and you'll be able to add the form from add existing form. But this is pretty much all for this video. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.